good morning and welcome to or back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a morning routine. I don't really know what to call this. I guess a quarantine morning routine. I wanted this to be like super productive, but at this point in time I just don't have a very productive routine set. Like I have honestly just been sleeping in, taking it easy, and not being productive. I've been staying up really late, like 2 or 3 a.m. and then sleeping until like 10. I'm gonna be taking you guys through my quarantine morning routine. Let's just go ahead and get into it. So I just got out of the shower. I feel so fresh. I love taking a shower in the morning. I feel like especially with spring and summer approaching, you want to have nice, smooth, like fresh skin. So I have been loving Billie razors. I've just been loving them. You guys have probably heard of them because I have seen them like all over Instagram and stuff, and they're like super like aesthetic and cute. All the products that I'm going to be talking to you guys about, everything that I use to shower, everything I'm obsessed with, they're all going to be linked below so you can shop everything in the description. Just so you guys know, I am partnering with Billie on this video, but I've wanted to try out their razors for the longest time. They're different than any other razor brand. They're female first brand, so they have premium quality shaving and body care products that are designed uniquely for women. They're like half the price than other razors. They're not going to be charging you more just because it's like a women's razor brand, but also it's a subscription service, which I think is really cool. So basically how it works is that you get their starter kit. In the starter kit you get the actual razor handle, and literally how cute is this? But they have like a bunch of cute colors to pick from. Like they're literally also cute and aesthetic. But anyway, so you get the actual razor handle, and then you get 2 5-blade razor cartridges, like this right here. Here's like my other one that I haven't used yet. So it just looks like this. And then you get this little magnetic little holder for the shower. So I haven't actually put it on because I wanted to like show you guys, but it's so cool how this works. So basically just like stick this on to the shower wall, and then whenever you're not using your razor, you can just, it's magnetic. It doesn't even hook onto anything. Like it literally just, but I just think that is so cool. Like I just love that. Once you get the starter kit, you can just get these little refills. So you'll get 4 of these little cartridges for $9, and you can get those refills every month or 2 months or 3 months, however often you feel that you need them. So I love that it's only $9, especially considering how cute the packaging is. Also, this is just another product I picked up, but it's like this little travel case, and the colors and packaging matches the razor. So that way when I'm traveling, I feel like I always just stick them in like a Ziploc bag, which is so gross. But now I can just stick it in here, which will literally be, oh my gosh, it's magnetic too. Yeah, you just stick it in there. I feel like this is a must-have if you travel. I feel like this will just keep your razor so nice and clean, and it won't mess up with all the like little gooey stuff around it. I'm gonna move over here to talk to you because there is a lot of background noise outside my window. Like the quality is amazing. I've used actually quite a few different razors, and I'm not just saying this. I'm truly not just saying this, but this really is the best razor that I've used. I'm definitely gonna keep using this. This part of it, like the part surrounding the actual blades, is so different. It's charcoal, which is already like a really good ingredient that's used in like a lot of skincare and body care, but it just works really, really good. It leaves my skin feeling really smooth, and I feel like it works so well that I can go a few days without shaving. My skin still feels really, really smooth, which I love because I fake tan and I don't like to shave every day because it kind of fades my tan, but it just glides over your skin so well, and I feel like it really gets into those hard to reach areas because it just bends like really nicely. It's really flexible in your ankles and your knees. Like I really struggle. I've shaved for a long time, but I still struggle with those areas. I feel like with this razor, it just helps because it just kind of bends into those areas like really nicely. It's so much better quality than a razor that you would be able to get for this price. And it's so cute, like all about like the aesthetics and packaging. So that is the razor. Also, you guys also saw this in the video, the shaving cream. This is super nice. I really like using the two of them together. It's like really smooth and creamy. It just works really nice, and it has tons of great ingredients. So the last product is the Dry By body lotion, which I've also been really obsessed with. I love applying lotion to my legs, especially right after a shower. And this is just like the perfect kind of like post shower lotion. It has a really nice kind of fruity scent. This lotion, like the shaving cream, also has aloe, and this one also has shea butter. Anyways, those are some of the products that I have been loving, especially like in the shower and after the shower, going into the spring and summer, just getting my skin all nice and smooth. Definitely shop all those products below. They're all going to be linked in my description. Definitely, like I said, check out Billie. I've just literally been loving them. Like, I promise you guys will not be disappointed. After I get out of the shower, I pretty much just kind of let my hair dry a little bit in my towel, and I'll just kind of make my bed, clean up my room. I made some coffee earlier and I put it in a cup and put it in the fridge, so I'm just letting that chill. So if it's done, sometimes I'll go and make my coffee. So basically just kind of getting some productive things done while I let my hair dry a little bit in the towel, and then I'll start getting ready for the day. So I've gotten ready. I just did my makeup and curled my hair. I've actually been doing fairly natural makeup during quarantine. Today I just went ahead and did a pretty full face because I'm going to be filming some videos and stuff today. But I've actually been doing pretty much no face makeup all of quarantine. I've just been doing like my brows, and I can't go without lashes. I just love my lashes. So I've just been doing brows and then applying my fake eyelashes. My skin has actually been looking pretty good, so I've just been doing no face makeup. Is kind of like the look I've been going for. But today I just did a really light layer of foundation and fairly light face makeup. It looks about the same, but I swear I'm actually applied less. Basically I just switched out of one tie-dye sweatshirt into another one. I'm obsessed with tie-dye right now, and I actually just tie-dyed this yesterday. I tried to film it, but it was really hard to actually do it and film it because if I'm filming I only have like one hand, so it's really hard to film it. But I love the way it turned out, so I definitely want to tie-dye some more. So if you guys want to see a tutorial or like a video on how I did this, let me know. I just got a really cheap kit off of Amazon. I did like a crew neck. It's hanging over there. It's that one. My sister did some as well, and it was actually really fun, and they turned out pretty good. It was actually not even that hard. I just changed into this with some leggings, and I'm pretty much ready for the day. I think I'm just gonna make my coffee and then kind of get started on my to-do list. I've been doing like a digital calendar, like the little calendar app thing that you have like on an iPhone or like a MacBook or whatever. I've just been using that to kind of like time block, although today it is so late. I've had such a late start that I'm like really behind, but I've been time blocking and it's synced up with my computer and my phone, so I love doing that. But I also love writing out my to-do list as well. So pretty much once I'm done getting ready, I'll make my coffee and then see what I need to get done for the day and just get started. So So I've just been sitting at my computer and writing all the stuff down that I need to get done today and over the next couple days. So like school assignments, videos, that sort of thing. But I just feel organized with everything that I need to get done. I feel like I can really just start my day. It's basically my morning routine. I hope that you guys enjoyed watching. Make sure to thumbs up if you did enjoy, subscribe if you're not subscribed. Make sure to follow me on Instagram at emilygrace.26, and make sure to shop all of the Billie products below so you guys can have some nice smooth legs for the spring and summer and just all year round basically. I truly have been loving them so much. Like, they are so nice. I just love them so much. So definitely check those out. Comment below what your guys' quarantine morning routine looks like, how late you guys have been sleeping in, if you have been sleeping in. I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.